Eric, we're Radiator Grille Store here with another modification for the 992.1, the Sport Design, the Aero Kit, and the GTS bumper. We got a quick, easy modification to make this bumper look a little more impactful. So come on with us. All right, here we are at the car. This is a quick, simple mod. We've got them marked right, we've got them marked left, and guess where this one goes? In the center. This is super quick, super easy. So here's the right one. We'll just put that on the right side. Look how quick and easy. Boom. We got the center. Boom. We got the left. Boom. There you go. Doesn't that really change the look of the car? A little more aggressive, super quick, easy mod, fully reversible. Come in here, pull up down at the top clip, pull down at the bottom. Boom, they're off. But they're also super stable. Super stable, super stable. You can find these products and more at radiatorgrillestore.com. Just want to go over a little tutorial of how to remove these. You're going to be reaching your finger up in here, pressing down on this little tab, and pulling away on these hooks here. So this is how it goes in. It secures, and we're just reaching back here, pulling down on that tab, pulling back here, and releasing.